So, another clean culture show. We haven't been to one of these since, it's been since last year for sure. Actually, the last clean culture show I went to, it was at another baseball stadium. But this one is at actual Turner Field where the Braves play. The last one was at some other field. This one's at the actual Turner Field in downtown Atlanta, so should be pretty cool. Hopefully better than the last one we went to. The last one we went to I actually filmed if you watch that. But I'm about to go meet up with Damon right now and some other peeps, and we're gonna have a good day. I'm pretty sure Damon just walked into Walmart. I just pulled up, so yeah, I'm just waiting on him to come out. And then I think we're gonna go meet up with a couple more guys at the gas station, and then we should be good to go. Look at this man with the purple shorts on. Like he's an Incredible Hulk or something. You can't really see it. Them things are short too, boy. Ooh-wee.
I've had no sleep.
I haven't either.
I've been up for the past 24 hours.
Bro, I had acid reflux all last night, so I couldn't sleep either.
Did you ever go to sleep? Nah, I've been up for 24 hours. Hey man, school and work. Somebody gotta do it.
City of Atlanta.
Turn right onto Fulton Street Southwest.
But we're about here. The field is like right back over that way. So yeah, I guess I'll pick this camera back up when we all get pulled in or something interesting happens. Alright, we're here. It's too loud. But yeah, it's pretty packed in here already. We're gonna try to go meet up with Adam. Rode up with a bunch of other dudes. You can't see that, but yeah. This is Turner Field. In case you're not local to Georgia or know anything about Atlanta, they've actually been remodeling some stuff since the last time I've been here. So yeah, we're actually going inside the field, so this should be cool. Yo, this is crazy. They actually like literally have us driving through Turner Field. I knew we were doing this, but I didn't know like it was gonna be this weird. I don't really know the words, but hey, at least there's plenty of shade because this feels like it's gonna be hot today. There's Adam, by the way. He waited for us like a real homie. We would have been there earlier, but we had to wait on other people. So yeah, it is what it is. But we're here now, so thanks for waiting, Adam, if you're watching this.
Yeah.
There's dirt on your car.
It's got to be detailed.
I can't believe it.
I know. You know, I was still up in the air when I was actually going to work on the car last night.
Man, oh man. Like, this is definitely a baseball stadium, but currently they have it set up for football. I guess the next team playing here is Georgia State Panthers. Yeah, that's what it says. You can't see it because my camera sucks at focusing. Man, this place is nice. I'm about to go back in here where it's cool though. See what Damon's doing.
Yeah, we gotta do your car, man.
Yeah, I'm gonna start like paying either you or Adam like $20 to detail my car when we go to car shows. Cause I hate doing it.
Yeah, man, I hate doing it too, but like, then when I look at it, I'm like, oh yeah, that's worth it.
Not a joke, by the way. I'm dead serious.
Huh?
I'm dead serious. I'm literally gonna like try to pay Adam to do my car for me.
I just did this yesterday. That's what makes it so bad.
Yeah, black lips. Getting black lips.
I mean, it's not that hard to clean them with this stuff, because I mean, look at, I didn't barely do anything and they're already back shiny.
That looks good. It's like a mirror.
Exactly. $4.
Maybe that. Legitimately the smallest car I've ever seen. I've never seen anything this small. Like, except for like a smart car. We gotta find the dude that owns this and ask him to let you sit in it. Or try to sit in it. That'd be hilarious.
I can't sit in that. I don't think I can. Look at the steering wheel placement. I don't think I can get up.
I couldn't put one leg in there. Sheesh. This is gonna be fun.
Left foot first. Watch your head though. I've knocked myself out hitting my head on that. Yeah. So left foot first. Get your left foot situated. There you go.
How tall are you again?
6'4", dude.
6'4".
You probably won't be able to drive it. You can get in. You just can't drive it. That's as far as it goes back. Trust me.
Oh no, I wasn't on my phone.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Hold up.
Getaway car for you.
Bro, you
terrible getaway car.
Oh, there you go.
Bro, no, this ain't the move.
If you can get it on, people put the top down like it's
No, bro.
Oh, here we go.
That's funny.
It's possible.
What? So, this is a Mazda auto They only made it.
Yeah.
That's hilarious. Dog, you couldn't even shift the gears.
Bro, like, if I'm shifting gears, I'm heel towing the whole time.
Look
I
how
can't
close
even.
the shifter is to your leg.
Huh? Ain't no shifting in this car gonna happen.
Heck no.
No, bro.
The turbo's on the other side, on the driver's side, so it's right behind your head when you're driving.
How much you push on? 150 horses with this little
No, 64. Stop. Now, that's a K car limitation. So K cars in Japan, you know, they're limited to 64 horsepower, 660 cc, 87 miles an hour. You know that.
That's where this car's from.
Yes. Yep. They only made them and sold them in Japan. Like all the stuff about
6.75 liter double aspirated under the hood.
You said a 6.2 V12?
The same engine block as a P-51 Mustang in World War II.
Sheesh. Oh yeah, this is the craziest thing I've seen all day.
Thank you.
Wow. A 6.2 liter V12. Oh, excuse me, 6.7 liter. It says it right there. I don't know what I'm talking about. 6.7 liter. Goodness gracious. And it's bulletproof.
Hold that button down. This is what's called
I guess I'm
auto
gonna sit in
valet.
it real quick.
Hold it down. Hold it down. It will close the car for you.
What?
Now let go of the button. The driver has to open it, so in case it's raining, I can get the umbrella out and make sure you don't get wet.
This is crazy.
Crazy, isn't it?
What?
She is 19 feet long. Thank you. She weighs right at 4 tons. Tires,
Wow.
windows, indoors, are fully
I bet this thing rides smooth. How do you shift the gear? I guess maybe that thing? I don't know.
She is the mid-size model, but she is.
On the next episode of Cars
He said no.
that Damon can't fit in.
I can't fit in this. This is out of the question. Oh,
You gonna fit in the art?
Oh my god.
there we go. There we go.
That's sick too.
Somebody go. What for real? I'm gonna break it. Alright, just gotta do one thing. Don't climb over like this. I tell everybody, climb in backwards. Just put it over when you get in, just turn around.
Okay, big.
And it's not because anything on the car, it's just because it's easy.
Can I get in with him?
No! It's big. Like this?
Yeah.
It ain't even nothing about your size.
What is this, episode 4 of stuff that Damon can't fit in?
Put one foot in.
You got to straddle it.
Now put your other foot. Turn around and grab hold of this.
Yeah.
Then that, and I just do a little, do a ballerina twirl. How about that?
Come on, let me
Look
sit
at
in
that.
there with you.
Now you better get your legs straight first.
Yep. This is a no.
I'm 6'4". It ain't gonna work.
Look, he's 6'4".
Yeah.
Yeah, no, that's a no-go, bro. No, I want to get in there.
All right, I'm 6'4".
Can you fit it?
I drove it in here off the main street. We parked way out there and I drove it down the main street. You should have seen everybody.
How big
Like,
are
what the
your
fuck was that?
How big are your hips? That's how it's
I got baby birthing hips. Don't be worried about that. Baby birthing hips.
No, Chief. This ain't the move. This thing's tighter than
Can you
huggy.
feel the brake, the clutch, and the gas?
All right, real quick, what's your favorite car here? Don't think about it too hard. Favorite car?
Favorite?
Yeah. Or a couple favorites you like.
The Audi R8 with the OZ Futuros on
I might have to subtitle this because that is loud, but yeah. Cool, I gotta ask them on. All right, well, real quick, what's your favorite car here? Don't think about it too hard, just pick something. Okay, besides yours.
That's hard, man, because I'm
All right, just rattle off a couple.
the Lamborghini.
That's too easy.
I like what I like.
Okay, I'll take that.
The Lamborghini,
Which one?
the purple.
All right,
No,
cool.
I like the white one. I like the white one. It's hard. That's tough. The Lamborghini, dude.
I'm gonna have to edit all this up.
I saw the Lamborghini and was like, that's it. I'll be surprised if it don't, man. Well, it's a booth car, so it's not getting voted on. So honestly, I don't even know what's gonna win best in show. Probably the Iron Man.
I don't know. I don't really even care. I'm not winning anything.
I'm just interested to see what wins what, you know? Because sometimes, like, shows...
You think you're gonna win something?
Yes and no.
What does that mean?
I feel like it looks good enough to win something, but do I think I'm gonna win something? No. So that's why I say yes and no.
Okay.
Yeah. Last time when I came to the show, if they did awards, I would have been like, no, it's not gonna win anything. But this time I feel like it would. But if I don't, then
It should, because I helped. So if they call your name, I'm walking up there with you.
I don't
Hand in
care.
hand.
Yes, we're taking.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
We're both taking the trophy at the same time.
That's right.
Not together. No, I know.
And I was like, anybody got some questions for me? Everybody was like, dude, no. Get out. My car for all y'all. That's why I got to.
I guess I'll put this on my story.
Yeah, Damon's like, I don't know, who's taking him?
Maybe that girl.
I don't know. He told me to come back in there. I was like, I can't. His car's coming out, so yeah, that's a wrap. Getting some more pictures from the professional.
Picture perfect.
All right, so we're all getting lined up to head back home. I don't know if you can't. Let me see. You can kind of see everybody lining up. Yeah, but we're getting lined up to get ready to go back home. The entrance to this place is kind of steep, so people are kind of having to finagle their way out. But me and Damon didn't win anything, which is, I mean, obviously I didn't, but I was hoping Damon would get another trophy today. But oh well, maybe next time. So yeah, it was pretty fun, good turnout, and I don't know. I guess I'll end this video when I get home or something. All right, bringing it back home. Yeah, Clean Culture was good. It's actually, that's probably the best Clean Culture event I've ever been to. But yeah, good seeing everybody as always. Shout out to Adam for coming out. Damon came, made it out, and shout out to all the new dudes I met while I was there. If you're watching this, even though you're probably not, but what's up anyway? So yeah, short outro. We'll keep it short and go to sleep because I'm tired. Yeah. Like and subscribe if you like these videos. If you don't, that's fine. And I will see you on the next one.